Donna Peppercorn here with some exciting breaking news. You are not going to believe who we found. It's kind of like Bigfoot. You've always heard of him, but not quite sure he exists. It's Bob Warner, one of the last business owners in Los Angeles that hasn't heard of Section 179 in the IRS tax code.
As a result of recent changes in federal law, U.S. Tax Code 179 allows commercial property owners to expense all qualified HVAC products at their time of purchase and installation. If you, as a small business, installed a new rooftop HVAC unit at a cost of $14,000, only $350 could be deducted annually for the next 39 years as a depreciation expense. That's not much. Today, with the new legislation, you can deduct the entire $14,000 from its taxable income. That translates into approximately $5,000 in money that would have otherwise gone to Uncle Sam in taxes. Now, it stays in your pocket. In addition to the tax savings, this legislation also creates a new set of environmental standards to lower carbon emissions and regulate HVAC usage. Phase 1 is currently in effect, with Phase 2 beginning on January 1st, 2023.
Now, Bob, I'm going out on a limb here and guessing that about 50% of your commercial building energy use comes from heating and cooling this place, right?
That sounds about right. But you can always keep costs down with a well-placed fan every here and there. I know it keeps this room cool.
That's an awesome fan, Bob. Bigfoot sighting right here. Seriously.
Given that heating and cooling account for more than 51% of commercial building energy use, there's never been a better time to get a handle on utility costs with new ultra-efficient HVAC equipment upgrades. Installed and serviced properly by a licensed professional, these improvements will boost indoor comfort while ensuring less energy waste all year round. The Department of Energy has determined that users can save up to 35% in outright energy costs just by swapping out used or worn-out parts and replacing them with newer components. Contact your HVAC professionals at Air-Tro today and find the best solution for your indoor comfort needs.